Hello there. In this video, I wanted to share some ideas about meal planning and prepping. So it doesn't have to be hard, because sometimes your brain thinks it's hard. Whether you don't like to cook or you don't think you have time to plan and you're just on the go and you just go to fast food because that's easy. But what if you start having staple foods always available, so then it becomes easy to throw something together when you're in a hurry? Now, of course, planning does help. So what if you start going to the grocery store once a week with these items that you always buy? And if you're going to try a new recipe, then yeah, maybe you need to buy mushrooms because you don't always have them on hand. But what if you always have some fruits and vegetables on hand, and you always have chicken in your freezer and ground turkey and ground beef, and if you like pork, whatever meat you like. And of course, eggs are protein, your protein powders, whatever it is that you like for protein. What if you always have extra and have some on hand? And what if you start checking in once a week that, hey, what does my week look like? And on the days that are so busy, you totally plan ahead, whether you throw something in your crock pot or Instapot, or you've already made the meal the day before that you can eat again the next day. So then you're going to save lots of money and you're going to improve your health because you're not running to Chick-fil-A or McDonald's or Wendy's or whatever for fast food, when you can create this at home because you always have what you need available. I thought, instead of taking stuff out of my fridge and freezer and pantry to show you, I'm going to give you some ideas. I'm going to show you my fridge. Now, don't judge. I did not perfect it for a video. This is real life. This is who I am. This is what a day looks like, okay? But I did buy these cute plates. So we want to make sure we're eating half a plate of vegetables, our protein, and our carbs. If you need a reminder, I found these on Amazon. You could give this away to your friends for Christmas. I'm sure they would love it, right? Okay, yeah, whatever. Here we go. I'm going to show you the fridge, and I'll explain some of the things that I like to do. Okay. So I always have my greens, and let's be honest, I have another fridge outside in the garage because there's not enough room in this fridge for some of the extras I like to have on hand. So there's a lot crammed in here, not a problem. So we've got the mixed greens up on the top shelf. In that silver bowl is a salad already made. There's the raspberries underneath the salad I'm having this week. I love the dressing down here. It's the champagne vinaigrette, and it goes so good on the salad with the raspberries and blueberries and oranges over here in the corner. Okay, so the salad's already ready. Blueberries were a really good price. So I bought more and then I freeze them. Then I will have backup. And then there's another salad dressing in that bottle on the top with the yellow lid for my kale salad, which is my favorite in the whole world. And the kale's in the other fridge. And I will have that for lunch today with the salmon that I cooked last night and the sweet potatoes that I cooked last night. So it would be ready, and I double that. So I will have that again for lunch tomorrow. And it's such a relief, less brain drama, that I know exactly what I'm eating. And then like tonight for dinner, I have beans that will go in the Instapot when I finish putting all the ingredients in there. So with that salad and a piece of toast with the Ezekiel bread that's in the freezer outside. So then broccoli, the yogurt that's got lots of protein in it. This brand is Painterland Sisters. My husband is doing Wallaby Organic. He wants vanilla bean yogurt. He does that in the morning with a scoop of collagen and protein powder, and he's putting the blueberries and some granola in it that I made. Then, do you know sauerkraut's really good for you? And I'm trying to remember to eat it, so I put it in the front so I could see it. It's really good just to the side, or salad, or sardines. Like, I don't know how I figured this out, but I really love sardines on crackers with some sauerkraut on top. It's really tasty. So don't judge until you try it. There's some grapes. They were on sale. And if I don't use them all, I will freeze them. And then they will be really good in a smoothie. And then there's my favorite snap peas. And then here are, just the little cucumbers from Trader Joe's or wherever. That's just the store I went to this weekend. Just more yogurt. There's a protein bar, apple, and then in the drawer I've got bell peppers and more apples. And over here we have asparagus and avocado, and there's cucumbers in here, as well as purple cabbage in the back, and green chili and chicken broth. So anyway, all kinds of things another protein bar I really like, superfood. It's Paleo Valley. I've learned that a lot of protein bars are like candy bars, and so I'm being very specific on my ingredients. I don't want a lot of added sugar or artificial or natural flavorings. So this has a lot of good things in it. You have to buy them online. It is nice to have like this is for like in a hurry, like when I don't have time to cook chicken. And here's brown rice, and some of the family likes white rice. So that's already made and available. Almond butters, peanut butter, that type of stuff hidden in the back. So there's just some things that I have on hand. And then in the middle drawer is my almond flour tortillas and cheese, and that's about it for that one. And then in the freezer, I love to make extras. So you can't even tell, right? But these are my turkey sausage. And so I'm going to triple the recipe and then freeze it. And I only have to do it twice a month. I thought that was a good idea. And when I'm doing turkey, sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, here's turkey meatballs. So I will dedicate a couple hours once a week to what can I double? What can I make more of so that I have it available? Because this is so nice when you don't have time to cook, right? Because it's already done in the freezer. So there's some ideas, my friends, for food that you can always have on hand that you can easily make dinner with, because it's so easy to just make a protein. You could just have a hamburger patty, or what if you just had a plain piece of chicken, right? Or a chicken salad or whatever. And it's so easy to, like the broccoli, it takes 5 minutes for me to steam it, or 12 minutes if I want to roast it in the oven. And there's just so many options. The green beans, we had that last night roasted with the avocado. Carrots are outside in the other fridge. Just so much good food that's available. It does not have to be hard. You do not have to do fancy recipes. You don't have to spend hours in the kitchen. Just find time to do a little bit extra. What if you just did a couple hours a week getting prepared for the week, right? Or I can cook double this. Or during the week, you're going to have chicken, let's say on Tuesday, and it's just like, wait, I can totally double that. And like when I make the turkey meatballs, I'm going to double it and put them in the freezer. So any of those meats are so easy to double. Like if you make taco meat, so easy, double it. Put it in the freezer so that you have your fast food when you need it. I promise it's less brain drama. Eating does not have to be stressful, and meal prepping does not have to be hard. So many ways to figure out exactly what you need to be healthy and to reach the goals that you have for yourself. Everything is figure outable. All right, my friends, you got this wherever you are. And be sure and check out my webpage, wellnesswithwendolyn.com, and like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. Because who doesn't want to feel better? Who doesn't want wellness and less stress? You got this. Bye.